Hi madlang humans, right now I'm gonna unboxing Smith&Wesson M&P 2.09mm. So this is my husband's gift for me and it's so nice. We'll open it now. Okay. It's like the paperwork when he bought it, and then the gun has 2 magazines, so 1 extra. Okay. There's a lock on it. Inside. So guys, this is how it looks like. So pretty. Look at that. It's really good for ladies because it's easy to hide, really small, and the bullets is 9mm and you can fit like 9 bullets in each magazines. So I'm pretty excited because one of the nice features I like in this gun is like it has a laser. See, you turn this laser here and then you can see. Don't worry, this is not loaded, and this one also blink. Hold on, see, blink also. It does blink also. But I wanna tell you guys that when you have a handgun, always treat all gun that's loaded. Even if it's not loaded, you always treat them that they are loaded. Okay, so this is how you hold a gun. See my finger here. Don't ever put it in the trigger. You just put it in the trigger when you're aiming your final target, or like if you're gonna stop a threat or something. If you're not sure, don't ever pull the trigger. So this is the safety. And don't ever point the gun to anybody. Always make sure when you point the gun like this, make sure there's no person, no people, no animals, or make sure it's clear. The path is clear, like you can't hurt nobody. And then guys, so I went on a safety class for conceal carry, and then the instructor told me that it's hard to find a gun right now. Like nowadays, even bullets hard to find. Like when you go, all the stores, they're all like empty in the shelves, and then if you can find one, they're really expensive, like $20 more than the regular price before. So the wars are getting crazier, but you always make sure you have protection for yourself. You don't need a gun to kill somebody. You need a gun to stop a threat. It's so funny, guys, because when I say stop the threat, the GoPro stop. Even it's not for the GoPro. Is it loaded? Yeah, so this is the laser features here, as you can see. And then this is the safety. And then when you put it down, the safety is off. But I'll always make sure the safety is on for now, so we can't click, see, because it's locked. So what the nice thing about this gun is really not really heavy, and it's really cute. It's really good for ladies, for your girlfriends, for your wives. No, just wife, one. So it's really nice. For me, this is a perfect handgun for me because I'm just a small lady, and this is really nice, and you can easily hide it, conceal it, and this gun, because it's my husband's gift. Oh, he gave me a gun like 5 years ago when I first came, no, 6 years ago when I first came here in America. He gave me a Smith-Wesson also, but a little bigger, and I just have it for protection also. But this one, it's a boom. For me, it's the best one for me that fits me. My husband bought this gun at Dunham's for like $429 because I saw the receipt. So, and then they did a background check, and then I think my husband need to wait for like 4 days to be approved or something. So he bought an extra magazine for me, and it's on sale for $37.99. I don't know how much for a regular price, but, and he also bought me a holster, but then the holster won't fit because it didn't say with laser. It just say M&P shelf, because this one has a laser on it and it won't fit. I tried, so I need to return this, but I ordered a new holster in Amazon, so hopefully that one will fit. So I'll show you how to put bullet on it. So it's really hard, so you need to do a lot of force. So see, I don't even know. You slide it here and then you push it down. It's really hard, so you need to build muscle so you know how to pull it in it. Oh gosh, now I'm having a hard time. I'll be done by tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I'm giving up, guys. I was gonna seems like I can put the bullets in it. Oh, there you go. I got it. It's easy now. You need to do a warm-up or a workout so you can, I think there's like, how many fours in it? Oh man. How many is that? I only need put like 3 on it. Oh gosh. I think those people that really master doing this, they'll be laughing at me like, what is that lady doing? Sorry, bear with me. Oh man. There you go. Slides. Especially when you're almost done, it gets harder and harder. I wasn't counting, so 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 4 more, because I put like 9 bullets out each mag. Baby, I can't put the bullets. It's really hard. Okay, we're going shooting tomorrow, so my husband wants me to use the bullets for just targets, because you don't want to use the expensive ones for just shooting. So, and it's really hard to find bullets right now. Like when you go everywhere, it's just empty. People are going crazy, you know. You know what? This is a fail. Okay. Always make sure that your finger, second one right here, is not by the trigger. Always handle the gun like it's loaded even it's not. Always think it's loaded. So you hold like this. Make sure you don't put to anybody. Make sure it's clear, like no people, no person in there. So now you're gonna put the magazine on. So there's bullets in there, but it's not loaded yet. I need to cut this. Oh gosh. Okay. The bullet's in the chamber now. And I put the safety on. My husband and me were going shooting. I'm gonna try my gun. So on my next video, I'll be showing you my first shooting with my handgun. So this is my advice to all my Filipino women. If you're in America and if you want to protect yourself to anybody who will do harm for you, who will do harm, maybe not for you, but wherever you go, you know. Honestly speaking, guys, today's people are being crazy and you don't know what will happen. So even me, I'm still like paranoid sometimes. Like, what if I'll be in the supermarket or wherever I'm with my friends, you know. It's like sometimes I think like, what you gonna do, you know. It's like, well, cross my heart, it's not gonna happen to me, but we need to be ready, observant to our surrounding, because we don't know. And I hope, and for all the ladies out there, this gun is a nice gun for you, whatever makes you comfortable. But for me, this is comfortable, me using this. It's not too big and it's not too small. You can fit like 9 bullets in it, you know. So, and thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. Just want to make sure the gun is not a toy. Kids at home, don't let them see it. Don't just put it anywhere. Put it in a safe place that they can't reach it. And you know, you educate them about guns, so that what will be the consequences if they touch it or they play with it, you know, because so they will not be ignorant. Like what my son always say, that this is not a toy. You can touch it, you can play with it, you cannot play with it, you know. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're updated to my next video. So I'll show my next video. We're going shooting with my husband in the woods. So bye guys, thank you so much, bye.